So you think that removing the door card on a Toyota IQ would be something fairly easy? Well, so if you're here watching this video, you've figured out that it's not. I hope this video helps, because this did take me quite a while and I nearly lost my nerve about this situation here. This is a customer's car and I had some dent repair to carry out. I was absolutely clueless about how this door card comes off. Since I usually work on classic cars, things hold with screws and bolts and nuts and things like that. On a car like this, it's all about plastic tabs and things that break and you know, that kind of stuff. So I hope that this video will save you some pain and avoid you breaking stuff. I really did take my time. Yeah, you can see here I already felt like ripping this thing off, which you cannot do when it's a customer's car, man. You don't want to do that. Anyway, I'd strongly recommend you get this set of a plastic trim removal kit, which consists of various size plastic blades and things of the like. And it helps you to go under things like that, for example, and just pry them off without risking to scratch and limit the risks of breaking. So what you want to do is to get in the seam of that trim part with a rather wide piece and lever it out very gently, as you can see is being done right now, and it eventually just pops off. Now I was surprised to see the engineering that went into this specific part. It must have taken the engineers dozens of hours. Look at all the tabs and all the things that could break, and notice that none of them broke at all. I'm very proud of that feat. Pretty cool. So there you go. After that, it's just a matter of unscrewing whatever screws you find. You know, it's the usual stuff. It's quite a piece of cake. Don't forget to remove that upper trim part as well, which just pries off gently, carefully. Don't want to break anything either. And afterwards, it's just a matter of releasing the pressure tabs on the perimeter of the door card itself. And once you are pretty sure that you have released all of these and that you've got all the screws out, it's there you go. See the last one up there. It's just a matter of gently pulling it, gently but firmly pulling it upwards out of place. So once you've done that, you'd think that you're done and that it's finished, but no, because you have the door opening mechanism, which is also clipped onto there, and that would be very annoying to break. So take your time on releasing the tab as well with a flat bladed screwdriver. Set the door card on the side, and that's it. Well, that was quite the adventure. Once you know how, it should take you, I don't know, something like 3 to 5 minutes to remove the door card. So there you go. I hope this video helped a lot, and I'll catch you all in the next video, which will be about removing that dent. Thanks for watching.